Are you looking for partial shade-loving plants with big blooms? Get to know these shade-loving plants that are flower powerhouses to level up your shade garden.
Hey everybody, we're Sean and Allison from Spoken Garden, and we're so excited to be here today and talk to you about this plant that we're growing for the first time in our garden, and we're loving it so far.
Yep, it's Summer Wave Torenias, and there's two different kinds, and we're going to go over some of the differences between those two and just what they look like, how you can use them out in your garden too. You can see we've got one right here. It's beautiful. So beautiful. They add a lot of new, unique characteristics to a garden, and we've already seen that in our own garden, and it's really fun to grow these.
I know, and I'm really loving and enjoying all the colors that we added. I think you guys will really like these too. So let's get started. So this is a little corner of one of our shade gardens. This is a really fun area to design. We love all the lushness around us here. This area gets morning sun and afternoon shade, which is absolutely perfect for these Summer Wave Torenias. Torenias are also known as wishbone flowers. So these Summer Wave Torenias from Suntory Flowers, they come in two different series, and we're growing both of them. One is called the Bouquet series, and the other is called the Trailing series. And the main difference is that one is more of a mounder and kind of a spreader, and the other one is more of a trailer. Now let's talk about what both of these plants share in common between the two series. They both thrive and can tolerate summer heat, which is great for all climates. They are also early summer flowering plants, so that's really fun to add that color to your garden early in the summer. They're self-cleaning and they're well branching. Both of these plants are great for containers, as you can see here. We kind of have them spread all over the little shade garden here. They would also be great for hanging baskets and for landscapes. You can let them spread in kind of a partial to full shade area. That would be really beautiful. Now the Summer Wave Bouquet series, which is actually right here in this container, this is more of a compact mounder, and this is great for a little bit smaller containers, or even like put a couple of them together in a hanging basket, which we've done kind of back here behind me. Now this Bouquet series will grow to a height of 10 to 12 inches tall and 12 to 20 inches wide as it's spread. The Bouquet series thrives at partial sun to full shade, so lots of ranges and options of where to grow it. Now another fun fact about this Bouquet series is it has been bred to be summer disease resistant to several things, including stem rot, fungal leaf spot, and certain mildews. So that's good to know if you have those problems in your area, in your garden. Now, on the other hand, the Trailing series, which is this Torenia right here, this grows to a height of 6 to 10 inches tall, but the spread is a lot larger, 20 to 30 inches wide, so they can really flow over the side of a container or a hanging basket. These trailers can take a little more sun than the Bouquet series, so just keep that in mind. They're more of a partial sun to full sun plant.
So now we're in a different part of our garden, kind of the back 40 area, if you've ever heard us talk about that. And so I wanted to show you where we had some more Torenias planted, like over here in this container, right underneath in the same container as this really big looking hydrangea. Now the specific Summer Wave Torenia we have down here is one of the trailing varieties, one of the trailing series, and it's called Large Violet. And isn't this beautiful? This is amazing. You should see some pictures come up on the screen here, getting really close and seeing those flowers. But this is beautiful. Now this has been planted for about the last 3 weeks or so. It's in a mostly shade, partial shade location, and we've made its own kind of growing area, specific growing area for this. And so it looks beautiful. This is a really unique way to use these plants out in your garden. And you'd never know they're here unless you come all the way out here and then turn around and you're looking at everything and then bam, it would be right there. Now we want to tell you a little bit more about these Torenias because it's really interesting how they came onto the market and a little bit of their history. Back in 1995, Suntory introduced them as an interspecific hybrid where they actually bred from two different species of Torenias to make this specific Torenia, the Summer Wave. So what they did to introduce this into the market was they actually vegetatively propagated, meaning they took cuttings and they gave them to growers, sold them to growers, and had local and regional growers grow them in their areas to then be sold out onto the market to us customers. And that happened back in 1995. Now they still have that program, and it's still very unique for these Torenias to be grown and sold that way. But it's really fun because you get these beautiful, very unique plants. Now these Torenias are different from everything else out on the market in a lot of different ways, and I just want to tell you a little bit about that. As you can see, it's just the start of summer here, and they're already blooming. They're profusely blooming. And And they will bloom all the way from the beginning of summer all the way through to the end of summer and into the fall, especially in warmer climates and milder climates. They're also heat and humidity resistant, meaning this translates to disease resistance, especially in the south, especially on the east coast too, because of the high humidity during the summers and that heat. They're also different because they're more vigorous growers and they're more compact growers, so it actually produces a better looking plant than a lot of the other types of torenias out there grown by other companies. Also, they do have considerably larger flowers and more vibrant flower colors than a lot of the torenias out there on the market. So now we want to tell you which ones we're growing out in our garden and which ones we'd recommend you grow too. From the bouquet series, we're actually growing deep blue, but we're not growing the other ones that are so beautiful and really vibrant colors, including blue, deep rose, gold, and white. Now, in the trailing series of the Summer Wave Torenias, we are growing large blue, large amethyst, and large violet. Now, we're not going to be growing silver, but you will be able to find those in different areas around the country. Now, some really quick plant facts for these Torenias. They're in the Lindurniaceae family, say that 10 times fast, which is also known as the false pimpernel family. Now, also, they're hardy in zones 10A to 11B, and you can plant these out in your garden in the spring after the last frost is passed. Now, also, it is considered an annual, so make sure to understand that and know that before you add it out into your garden.
So just as a quick recap, here are 5 reasons why we think you should add Summer Wave Torenias to your garden. So first of all, the top reason, they're such fast growers. These vigorous plants will fill in your beds and containers and hanging baskets within like a couple of weeks of you planting them. So the second reason we think you should add these is because they are shade lovers. It's so fun to add a brightly colored plant. It'll brighten up those darker areas around your garden. So the third reason to add these to your garden is for heat resistance, which in the summer especially equals disease resistance. The fourth reason we think you should grow these is because they are self-cleaning. Now, we're so busy in the summer, a plant that deadheads itself and self-cleans is a huge bonus in our garden. And the last reason is kind of a two-parter. It's for color, variety, and flower shape. A trumpet-shaped flower is always really fun and unique anyway, but you're going to attract a ton of hummingbirds to your shade garden, which is really cool. And these Torenias come in a variety of color depending on which series you add to your garden, bouquet or trailing. You have a lot of options for color.
If you want to learn more about Summer Wave Torenias, you can always go to suntoryflowers.com, click on the varieties button at the top of the page, and choose Summer Wave from the drop-down list.
And we hope this video was really helpful in teaching you a little bit more about these really cool plants we're growing this year. And from us at Spoken Garden and Suntory Flowers, thank you for watching.